What's poppin', YouTubers? I'm back at King's Automotive right now. I got the wagon out, my E91 Beauty here. Problem that I'm gonna address today is the nasty rear rake, or maybe not the rake necessarily, but the wheel gap. So as you can see, the front, not necessarily flush, but it looks good. It looks like it belongs as it is. Whereas in the rear, if you look, I just personally don't love it. I feel like it could look better. I'm gonna eventually, I think, install springs on the front. That's for another day. For now though, we're gonna address this and have them push out a little bit more. Nice. These are the spacers I bought. I think they're 15 mil. I got them on Amazon. They were like, I don't know, 65 bucks or something. I usually don't love to buy parts like this off Amazon, but we'll see. We'll try them out. I looked and they were made out of good material, seem to be so we shall see how they work. So Ralphie, can you hook me up with grease, please? The proper way to install spacers is to put grease on them so that when you want to take shit off, it comes off. All right, so this looks to be the extended lugs. Always make sure to get extended lugs when you get spacers. Definitely make sure you got hub-centric ones too. Yum. One more step before we go on. So Jackie said you don't really have to put grease on the face of them. It's mostly around the hub part where it will make contact with the hub on the car. And then also one more thing, he said, if you really want to be nice to your car, you'll get a drill with a brush bit, get all that crud off of there. This is what I'm using right here. I'm happy with that. I'll go ahead and install. All right, so this package comes with 2 bags of these lug bolts. And these are the exact pick for the E chassis. Make sure you get the right ones. I had some old spacer from the F30. Thread pitch is different than the E chassis. These are extended. This is the OEM, and that's the extended one. There's a pretty good difference. So line her up. Yeah, it looks about right. I don't know why the fuck BMW doesn't do studs. There we go. Happy with that. There we go. Much more even. It looks more like the front now. Yeah, I'm stoked on that. Oh, that looks so much better. That wheel gap kills me. It looks good. Much better. I think I should have plenty of clearance here still. Even if I have a full trunk, even if I'm hitting big ass potholes, should still be fine. Should not be scraping the fender liner. I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm about to just do the other side and then take it for a spin, make sure everything's holding fine. No vibrations, none of that, and check back soon. I mean, that fitment is just so much better now. I know I'm on stock wheels, whatever the fuck style they are, number it, but come on. The fronts are great. They just need a little bit of a spring, a drop to have ready for another video. Now she look good. Love it. We'll make sure that we clean up and not leave a mess for Jackie. We want to recycle because we're good people. We're about the earth, even though we drive cars, but listen, nobody's perfect. Just gotta throw these in the back. I'll hide them somewhere here. I'll bring these tools back to Jackie, and then I'm gonna take a quick test drive, see how they drive, and report back. Okay. God, I hope this thing's recording. Anyways, this is take 1 of the E91 Wagon on spacers in the back. So let me just put it in sport mode. The nice thing about King's Automotive is that Jackie's shop is located like right on a road that could be very fun, nice little twisty. Hoping that you can see in the image, there's no shake. Yeah, there's no shake, there's no vibration coming from the back. These spacers seem to be holding up just fine. It's literally been a half a mile, so Lord knows how long that will last, but the hardware felt strong. The spacers themselves felt nice and good. So slow, but it's very fun. It was doing that thing. E53 X5s do it too. It's kind of like negative cambered in the back. It just looks dinky. I don't know what other word to use, but ain't good. No issues, feels fine. Just zooming down this road. Cars are so much fun. I'm about to warm up the F30 and drive it around over here. Also, what you guys probably can't tell, and I know you can't see, you might hear the lights turn on soon. It's my transfer case or transmission, or just the torque converter in the transmission. Something is going. I've developed a high-pitched whine that goes higher and higher as the speed rises. Only shuts off. It feels fine and sounds fine when the trifecta lights come on. So I think it goes in a rear-wheel drive mode, which, I mean, shit, fine for me. It's a sport wagon. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is just fun content for me to make. Where I take my serious content is the car stories. That's like the super duper, I hope to turn it into a career content. Definitely subscribe for that. This is just me messing around with cars because I love to tinker with things, in particular vehicles. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you soon. Thank you for sticking around, and good luck to you today. Happy spring. It's beautiful out, enjoy the weather. All right, take care. See that? That torque converter.